In this video we will see how to generation of DSB-SC signal, double sideband suppressed carrier signal. Last video we see the generation of AM signal. AM signal generated by using two technique. One is switching modulator and another one is square law modulator. Now DSB-SC signal generated by another two technique. One is balance modulator and another one is ring modulator. In this video we will see the balance modulator, how the balance modulator is work, how the balance modulator generate DSB-SC signal. First of all, we see the formula of AM signal. Okay, AM signal are AC 1 plus Ka m of t into cos 2 pi fct. AM signal look like this. Okay, DSB-SC signal in DSB-SC signal we eliminate the carrier part. Okay, carrier part of AM signal. So if first of all we open the bracket and see AC cos 2 pi fct plus AC Ka m of t into cos 2 pi fct. So in DSB-SC signal this part are eliminated, only remaining this part. So the AM modulator, AM signal generate this equation. In last video, square law modulator generate this equation of AM signal. So m of t, message signal, whenever message signal passing through the amplitude modulator, then output of amplitude modulator are what? AC 1 plus Ka m of t into cos 2 pi fct. This is AM signal, amplitude modulated signal. So m of t convert into AM signal. For generation of DSB-SC signal we need two AM modulator. Okay, two AM modulator, and both are connected with local oscillator which generate AC cos 2 pi fct signal. This AC cos 2 pi fct connected with both AM modulator. Now this m of t, first of all this m of t is 180 degree phase shifted. Suppose this is AM modulator number 1, number 2. So m of t, original m of t is going through this way, and 180 degree phase shifted m of t is going through this way. Means here m of t in negative. Okay, here in positive, here in negative. So how the output at that point? Output at this point is AC 1 minus Ka m of t into cos 2 pi fct. Okay, because here M of t is 180 degree phase shifted. Both the output are connected with summer. Here positive, here negative. Then equation 1, suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Both are differentiated at that point. So differentiate this equation and this equation. What will happen? AC and cos 2 pi FCT part eliminated, and final output are 2 AC Ka M of t into cos 2 pi FCT, looking like this. Okay, so the output of balance modulator is equals to AC Ka M of t into cos 2 pi FCT. Okay, this is output of balance modulator, and this output are look like what? DSB SC signal, because carrier part AC cos 2 pi FCT are eliminated, only remaining double sideband. Okay, thank you for watching this video.